Welcome to Digital Income Hub, the channel where you learn how to make money online using AI, side hustles, and digital tools. If that sounds interesting, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Method 1. AI content writing. The first method is AI content writing. Businesses, bloggers, and websites always need articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. Step 1. Use an AI writing tool like ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, or marketing content. For example, you can ask AI to write blog posts, website content, email marketing messages. Step 2. Go to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Create a gig offering AI-assisted writing services. Step 3. When a client orders, simply use AI to generate the content, edit it slightly, and deliver it. Many freelancers are making $10 to $100 per article using this method,